Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful fifth wheel comes equipped with over-the-range microwave, cable prep, 2 full baths, bathroom toilet, nightshades, designer headboard, overhead kitchen storage, living room fireplace, outside speakers, walk-around queen bed. Master bathroom has a sink, toilet, and shower with a door. Booth dinette, stainless sink, flip-down travel rack, automatic levelers, pull-out spray faucet, 4-door refrigerator, oven, entertainment center, bathroom cabinet with mirror, linen cabinet, upper bunk windows, bathroom tub shower combo, living area television, decorative kitchen backsplash, outside shower, LED exterior lighting, high-rise faucet, dual bedroom nightstands, flip-up counter, roof ladder, jackknife sofa with flip-up bunk, cable TV hookup, theater seat for 2 with cup holders, bathroom sink, detachable power cord, entry grab handle, triple slides. Bathroom has private entrance to the outside, ceiling fan, electric awning with LED lights, spare tire and carrier, outside storage, heated enclosed underbelly, flush mount gas range cover, walk-through bathroom, solid surface kitchen countertops, backup camera ready, shower skylight, battery disconnect, big corner shower, vanity with sink, outside kitchen refrigerator, USB charging station, universal docking system, ball bearing drawer guides, electric stabilizer jacks, wardrobe and cabinet, LED interior lighting. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with the boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.